Imagine doing something very easy where you'll earn money, just like watching videos. You can do this while you're laying down, doing some chores, or whatever it is that you are doing. And just like that, you can earn up to $4 in less than 30 seconds. How great is that? In this video, I will also be showing you how you can earn $200 to $400 just by watching videos like this. So make sure not to skip any part. In this method, thousands of people all over the world have already cashed out. You can be the next one. So basically, if you watch one video, you can earn up to $4. 10 videos would mean $40. And if you can watch 50 videos a day, you can easily earn up to $200. This is mind-boggling. All you need is a smartphone or a computer and an internet connection. This strategy is 100% free, and this too is available worldwide. In just a moment, I will be showing you how to register for a free account, and I'll show you which video will give you the most amount of money. Not just that, I will also be showing you actual examples and proof on how to get started. So make sure not to skip any part of this video so you won't miss out on the important details. So the first thing that I want you to do is to go to google.com or just go to your browser search bar directly and type in twitch.tv. Then you'll be able to land on this page right here. This is Twitch, a streaming website. There are tons of videos and channels which you can watch for absolutely free. Most of the videos in this website are actually gaming videos, and there are a lot of gamers who stream their games here. So I'll be teaching you how you can earn money by watching these videos. Right now, I need you to go ahead and click on this browse button right here. Then you'll land on this page where you can see a whole lot of categories and genres of videos. Now I want you to focus on this category right here, Valorant. Valorant is one of the most popular FPS games right now, and the players are growing every single day. So let's choose this. Click on this category, and that will lead us to this page right here. Then I want you to click on this videos button right here. As you can see, Valorant now has over 8.6 million followers, and that will be growing since it's already popular. A lot of people are actually interested in Valorant. Now if we scroll down, we can find more videos on this game. You can actually watch all of this for free. Now let's move on to the next step. I want you to go on to oki.io. This website is really important because we will be using this website today as we watch simple videos like this, where we'll be able to make a lot of money online. Don't fret, this is going to be very easy, and I'll teach you all of the steps. So okay, the first thing that you need to do on this website is to create or sign up for an account. Then you'll be able to shorten a long link. So let's go back to Twitch, and let's click this video right here. I need you to click on this share button just below the video so you can see the video URL. Then I need you to highlight that link and copy it. Now the next thing that you have to do is to go back to oki.io and paste the Twitch video URL right here. Then click on this button right here in order to shorten it. So this is what actually happens. Whenever people click on your shortened link, this one right here, you will earn money per click. As long as people click on your link, you will be making money over and over again. Talking about clicks, the amount of earnings will depend on the location of the people clicking it. You'll be earning different payout rates from different places. Let's say people from Germany click on your link, you'll be able to earn $4 per click. If people from the USA click on your link, you can earn $4.10. Take a look at this. Now as you can see, the rates are different depending on the country. This is the strategy people are doing in order to make money online. Now let's take a look at the number of people who have registered on oki.io. There are over 490,000 people registered right now, and it will reach 500,000 in no time. The website also offers different payout methods for you. As you can see, they have PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Now what I want you to do is to register for a free account. So let's go back to the homepage. Click on the sign up button on the upper right hand corner of your screen. Then you'll land on this page where you can sign up as a new member. Again, this is totally free. You don't need to invest any money into this. You need to put in your username, your email address, and your password. Confirm your password right here and click on I'm not a robot. After all that, click on submit. Very easy, right? Anyone can do this. So now that you're logged into your new account, this is what you'll be seeing. Here on statistics, you can see how many people are actually clicking on your link, including your total earnings. Since this is a brand new account and we haven't shortened any link yet, this is how it will look like. So make sure to keep watching so you won't miss out on important details. Now let's go back to twitch.tv in the Valorant category. So what you need to do is select 3 videos and open them on different windows. So this is the first video, the second, and the last video. Let's go back to the first video. And again, I need you to copy the video URL. Once you're done copying it like so, let's go back to our Oki.io dashboard right here. And then we need to paste the link just right here. Then click on shorten. Now let's copy this and I'll be giving you a template of this message right here. Basically, I'll be giving a brief introduction about Valorant. And I'll be adding this line right here. For more Valorant videos, click the links below to watch now. And by doing that, whenever people click on your link, you will earn money. So now let me just paste the first video link that we have shortened. So whenever people click on your link, and depending on which country they come from, you'll earn a different amount of money. If people from Canada click on your link, you earn $3.05. If people from the Philippines click on your link, you'll earn $1.05. So that really depends. Now you have to continue in shortening the other links and attach them to the template I created. That's basically all you have to do. This is very easy and beginner friendly, right? You can now make money online starting today. And as always, I give out additional bonus tip at the end of the video for you to earn more. I want you to go to this forum right here. It's forums.pcgamer.com. This is a very popular gaming forum where people all over the world talk about different games including Valorant. The reason why I love this forum so much is because this website is absolutely free and available worldwide. As you can see under PC gaming discussions, in general gaming there are over 29,000 messages and over 700 threads. Let's click on this right here and you'll land on this page where you can find different posts. And there are a lot of people writing short and simple posts on this forum. And they are getting a lot of views. Now take a look at this. People get thousands of views. Some normal posts get hundreds of views. And that's already a lot. There's just so many opportunities waiting for you on this website. Now when you search for Valorant, there are a lot of forums as you can see. This is a great place where you can paste the template that I created just for you. Then whenever you get a click, you simply earn.